So, hi everyone, good morning. I'm using this as primer from Designy Super Fine Skin. So, as you can see, ubos na siya. So, get ready with me for my exercise. Try lang work. So, if you fall, segue. So, I've been happy to announce you, try lang. So it's Tuesday. It's so Tuesday. Don't you know your girlfriend has hat like me? Di ko alam anong damit na susuotin ko. So I decided na mag-sports bra muna. Let's see kung bagay sa atin yun. And I know it. So let it dry. Wait. So, next is foundation. I'm using the Details Cosmetic. Konti lang kasi wala lang. So, ayun. Put at face. Enough ko. Pero, linagyan ko siya ng yung style ni Hailey Bieber. Yung, anong tawag doon? Lagyan nga ng tuner pa yun, nilagay niya. Pero yung sa akin, siya, parang, parang, cleanser. Cleanser nilagay. So, let's stop it. Let's see if it's working. So, ayun. I was trying. So, I was attempting. So, somebody asking if Cognizant still hiring. Yeah, we're still hiring. And, yeah, we're still hiring retail, healthcare, daming account. And ang place is Makindi Taguig and Cebu, Pangasinan, Dumaguete. So currently I'm from Dumaguete, so I can refer you. I just need to put my email address here. No need to DM me for referral. Then magme-message kami sa email nyo once I already added you to your referral. Help each other. Yeah. If somebody asks, then day 1 pa lang may HMO na. So for HMO, we're using Telecare. Nagbuhol-buhol. As you can see here. Anyways, kaya natin to. Yeah, day 1 pa lang. May na siya. May anong tawag dun? May HMO. For HMO, we're using Intellicare. And, yun. And we also, for work from home, depende sa account eh. May work from home for retail. Cognizant provide the equipment. And if nagtatanong kayo if may internet allowance, depend sa account. Depends sa account. Pero may narinig ako na may internet allowance yung ibang account. And may nagwo-work on site. Kami nagwo-work on site. And yung sahod, depende sa experience mo. And, yeah, depende sa experience mo. And, depende yun sa area mo din. Iba-iba. So, kung mas malaki yung experience mo or mas, I'm using this one, Details Cosmetic. Yeah. If if or taas na yung experience, then there's a tendency na they will offer you a higher salary depending on the experience. Basta ang alam ko, retail ang hiring ngayon. Retail and healthcare. Merong looking din for healthcare, looking for pharmacies and RN. Pero may din support. Nothing to worries. And pa? Maganda yung offer ni Cognizant. Parang salary increase is yearly depending on your performance. And depending on your performance, meron din siyang meron ding nang tawag doon, I'm using Shiglang. Meron ding, diba sabi ko, lang, hindi talaga pag nagsasalita, mawawala na. Yearly bonus after 1 year mo on the company, meron siyang increase depending on your performance. May graded system kasi siya. And depende yun sa account mo din. So yun. Basta ang ganda niya. And may perks din siya. Daming perks. Every Friday, may Fun Friday for activity sa HR. Then, nung last month, ngayon lang naman. Ngayon lang, August pa lang pala. May family day affair kami dito sa Dumaguete. Tapos na yung Manila, susunod si Pangasinan. Tapos na din si Cebu. Ang saya. You can bring your own pet and your kids. Ang saya. Ang dami activity. And, ayun. Depending on your account, may depende. Wait lang. So, you can email. I will put my email there para matry nyo mag-apply. If someone asks me kung may assessment, tapos may anong tawag dun, yung parang listening, kalimutan ko na, basta yun. Madali lang naman sa exam. And minsan 1 day process if nakapasa ka na ng interview ng, tapos pagkakagabi niyan meron ng final interview. Ayun lang, tapusin ko muna to. Balik ako. So, this is my final outfit. Lazy Tuesday. So, bahala na magpambok pa. And, and my book, I don't know what to do with this hair. So, ayun. Parang pupunta lang kami ng dagat. Here. And this is the final face. Mukha pa rin. Yun lang. Ingat.